She tired because she find boy in the night. She is a cowgirl, right? She is a GRO in the night. Will find boy. That's why sleeping in the morning. My Cotty. See? Yeah. She is sleeping in the morning because Thomas tired in the night. Because she is a GRO in the night session. We sleep morning until 12 o'clock sleeping here because he tired. His body's tired too much. How many boy in one night? Huh? How many boys? Oi, how many boys? How many boys in one night? Hey, four? Four? How many boys? Huh? Oh, how many boys in one night? That's why you're tired always. You go. You're tired na. Go. Don't sleep. Don't sleep. Oh, don't sleep. Sleeping. Ah, too much tired ah. Tired. Oh, you tired. Oh, you tired. This cat is... Oy, oy. Oh, tired because every night four boys. Oh, now maybe 1 month pregnant. Oy, oh, ah, he don't kill me. Okay, bye bye. Sleep here. Sleep. Bye. Bye. I will go now. Bye. Sleep. Sleep. Okay, good night. Good morning. Sleep there until 12 o'clock and then night is not sleeping. Go around. Bye.